The ongoing power struggle between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy, VP Chwenga, has claimed another political casualty, with the Zambia Politburo expelling Kutu East MP Benjamin Kanyiwa. Sanamna mashoko panapa atoona kuti aiwa allies General Chwenga panguva ino aiwa vouya vachifaiwa zvakanyanyisa zvashamisa vanhu zvaita kuti vanhu vangosara vakangobata muromo. Sanamna mashoko manyerwa kuna kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Deep number from the Mchinzi is remove or follows a broader peg targeting Chwenga's key allies. As Mnangagwa consolidates his grip on power ahead of looming internal party contest. Kanyiwa was expelled on allegations of attempting to unconstitutionally remove 6 districts chairpersons, feigning factionalism, and holding unauthorized meetings where President Mnangagwa was reportedly criticized. His ousting is the latest in a series of dismissals aimed at dismantling Chwenga's support base within the ruling party. The announcement was made by Zambia Flag Affairs Secretary Patrick Chinamasa on Thursday. While Kanyiwa was expelled, Roy Bila, MP for Chilezi North, was exonerated of all charges, while Callisto Bango was referred to the National Disciplinary Committee to address accusations of undermining the party. The peg extended beyond Kanyiwa, with several other senior party members removed. Gifford Gomwe from Mashonaland West was expelled for creating a WhatsApp group, allegedly undermining the party. According to Chinamasa, Manongo yet demonstrated disloyalty through online platforms, leading to his expulsion. Similarly, Spencer Mtero was expelled for administering a social media group that was deemed antagonistic to the party's agenda. Toma shoko pana patrikona kuti aiwa panguva ino general vongosara varongori muswi vongosara varongori munhu tona maallies avo top leadership yavo yevanhu vanosapota ichifaiwa tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi pinango nesection yedu semafunguro enyu musana subscribe like on the bell icon.